Hey guys, this is the Prime 16 by 60. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it is 910 square feet. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, coming into the living room, you've got 8-foot flat ceilings with recessed LED lights. You're gonna have a rolled linoleum throughout. No carpet in the home, standard, it will be linoleum. Moving into the kitchen, you're gonna have white cabinets standard, black appliances are also standard, okay? Now you can upgrade these cabinets to gray, and then these countertops, there's several different options here. And then your appliances, you can also upgrade those to stainless steel, okay? This is your dishwasher space here, all right? Sink, it's a nice flow between the kitchen and the living room here. It's nice and open with the island facing this way as opposed to facing a wall like in a lot of prints. It faces open like this. I like that. It keeps it nice and connected. All right, let's move down to the master bathroom. So we'll go through the utility room. Nice big master bath or bedroom rather. For a 60-foot home, nice big master bedroom, all right? Insulated windows. And then in your master bath, sink, toilet, and then a 1-piece fiberglass shower, okay? Not a 2-piece plastic shower, it's 1-piece molded fiberglass, much more durable that way, okay? All right, let's move into the utility room. Standard, you'll have a rear 9-light door, okay? Lets in some natural light. And then you've got standard a 200 amp electrical panel, your furnace space, and then this is your washer dryer, okay? Wire rack overhead. Speaking of overhead, standard in the series, you'll actually have overhead ductwork. It's shown in the floor, but it is actually gonna be in the ceiling, okay? So that's something standard. This is outdated, it is in the ceiling, okay? Bathroom number 2, 1-piece fiberglass tub shower. Again, not 2-piece, not plastic. It's not gonna leak and crack over time. This is a durable 1-piece tub shower, okay? Toilet, China sink, not plastic, all right? And then moving into bedroom number 2, decent sized bedroom, all right? Again, insulated windows throughout. And this one actually has a walk-in closet, which I like. So walk-in closet with the wire rack. Okay, so there you go, plenty of room in this closet. So again, the Prime 16 by 60, this is one of the most popular 2-bedroom single wides that we offer. It's a very price point home, but it's a good value for what it is. It's got a lot of upgrades that, well, what other manufacturers consider upgrades come standard in the Prime series. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.